Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart, as we can see, we are in our impulse towards the upside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We were currently in our wave 5 towards the upside, which is supposed not to be finished yet, where we have a triple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 that we would like still to see unfolding. However, some weakness signal today even has appeared, which is not really nice to see, of course, with Solana, where we are looking yesterday. We saw, of course, a red candle under the acceleration channel. We were expecting that this base channel will be used as a support, of course, and moving towards the upside. But unfortunately, the candle was open inside the base channel, and now we'll see some red still. Now, is that bearish scenario? Well, possibility has started to get bigger. Because looking at this price action under the base channel again for the main impulse, and that means, of course, you are talking about the base channel. We take, of course, this channel taken from the wave 1 here, right? It is this channel. Let me just turn off the acceleration so we don't need it anymore. This base channel is taken from your wave 1 and based on your wave 2. And this is the first channel that you would like to see the price action in an impulse moving on it. And as we saw the wave 3, of course, moving out and ranging and then using this as support and then moving up. However, we have moved up inside this channel for the wave 5, but yeah, this is not a really nice to see. Now, if we move to the 1 hour chart, if we want to count what is going on here, of course, if we open our count for the 1 hour, we can see that we were expecting, of course, here a 1, 2 for a diagonal, but it has unfortunately invalidated. So it went to the bearish scenario, which is a wave B in WXY. And in that case scenario, we are looking, of course, for a wave C here or a wave 4 probably still. But yeah, it's not nice that we are looking that this price goes under the 0.38 and reaching almost the 0.5 FIB. And still probably looking for, of course, to hit this 0.5, which is in confluence with our wave 4, which is the previous wave 4. Now, in Elliott wave, normally, of course, it's still probable that your wave 4 can come back to the same zone of your old wave 4. That is very still normal, but lower than this price, as I mentioned yesterday, for every coin it has a bull run and currently in a correction and still looking for one more trend towards the upside. If the price action comes back to the previous wave 4 and goes lower than this price, then the bearish scenario open for a very high possibility. So the things are yeah, very sensitive right now. We gonna of course watch this step by step, but there is no impulse, there is no indication of strength yet again, and we see only weakness. So basically this wave C, which is unfolding here, we might be looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Hopefully that your wave 5, of course, yeah, lay on the 0.5 fib level and then start to see some strength signals, because if that doesn't show up after this big massive wave as a B, you have 3 waves for your wave B and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So possibly we're gonna finish it and then start to look for some strength here and then to look up again for higher prices. Now, if we take a look on a KGT, of course, we are looking on the 3 minute for Solana here just to catch up what's going on. So we can see that, of course, yeah, we are in a buy signal since the yesterday low that it has made very sharp. However, it doesn't mean that it cannot take the low and transfer this buy signal to this new low. Yeah. And one more thing is we would like to see some CVDs, right, as a signal of strength. Now, the good thing is that there are some CVDs here. As you can see, we can have here from this price to this line here that you can see in the top from this here to here, we have a divergence. However, even you can have more signals here, as you can see between this one and this one, it still have a divergence. So that is good. That is a good indication, but the problem is with Elliott wave. Well, we can consider this as 1-2 as well. It can be, but how we gonna count this one as a finished correction? So in that case, I would have to call this as truncated wave 5 finished for this big impulse. And then you have a 1-2 here. Yeah, or even maybe finished impulse here, and then you have triple 1-2s. But yeah, I doubt it a little bit, but it still can be. Still can be. Now we are looking as well here for some bearish scenario. Of course, this one is the convergence that we are looking at. This is a problem, is your bearish signal that it has appeared with a convergence. Now, of course, after this, we start to see some strands a little bit here, but we would like to see, of course, continuation towards the upside. So to get much more, to get much more confirmation, I would say, of course, we would like to see 3 green bars at least moving towards the upside. So currently we are just having 2 here. We don't have so much green. We would like to see much more green than this, like this one here. We have 3 green bars. We saw, of course, a move towards the upside. Yeah, it's the same for here almost, but of course the bearish signal has appeared after it directly, and the gray one always mean reversal. And that means if you are going up and you see this bearish with a gray color, that means it is a reversal. And here we go, it has moved towards the downside. Yeah, so what we would like, the same has appeared here, by the way. We have started to get some weakness, and here we go. Yeah, so what we would like to see, nothing is confirmed yet. Of course, there are CVDs, but there is no accumulation of buyers yet. There is only sellers entering the market or getting out of the market, I would say. So that was it for Solana, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments. If you would like to have a KGT, of course, you can find the details in the description below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.